Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to stop Edge from asking to be default browser. If you have not set Edge as the default browser in Windows 11 or 10, when you open the Microsoft Edge browser, it will prompt you to set Microsoft Edge as your default browser. However, if you don't want to set Edge as the default browser on your computer and want to prevent Microsoft Edge from checking and displaying if it is the default browser, in that case, this video. Go to taskbar search, type regedit. Click on Registry Editor to open it. Click on Yes in the pop-up window. Go to Hkey-current-user folder. Expand Software folder. Go to Policies. Right-click on the Microsoft folder. Choose New Key from the list. Name the key folder Edge. Copy the line text you can find in the description box below. Go to the Edge folder. Right-click on the right side of the window. Choose New D-word value from the list. Paste the copied text as the name for the D word. Double-click on it to open. Set value data to 0 and click OK. Restart your PC. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!